Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976 on YouTube. I do not own any of this. Their properties and their trademark belong to their respectable owners. On to the video. Hello everyone. In today's prehistoric animals in anime and mangas, we'll be talking about Dinosaur King anime. So let's start off with history on Dinosaur King. So the Dinosaur King anime, the original run was February 4th, 2007 to January 27th, 2008. Huh, this is interesting. I didn't even know that part. I did not know that part. I don't remember Dinosaur King anime ever made dirty jokes. When I was a kid, I don't remember seeing that. So now with that done, let's get started on Mesozoic animals that appeared in Dinosaur King anime. Archaeolotosaurus, Acrocanthosaurus, Afrophonator, Allosaurus fragilis, Amargosaurus, Alterinus, Amplosaurus, Anchiceratops, Ihingera, a species of pterosaur, Ankylosaurus, Baryonyx, Brontosaurus, Carcharodontosaurus, Ceratosaurus, Cryolophosaurus, Daspletosaurus torosus, Deinonychus, Deltadromeus, Diceratops, a controversial species of dinosaur taxa, which is no longer its own species, same as Nedoceratops, which is no longer its own species, but still controversial. Dromaeosaurus, Edmontonia, Euoplocephalus, Fucurisaurus, Futabasaurus, a species of plesiosaur, Gorgitosaurus, Iguanodon, Isosaurus, first appearance. Sorry about that. The next door neighbors are yelling, so sorry about that. Jobaria, Lanceosaurus, Lexivosaurus, Maiasaura, Majungasaurus, Mapusaurus, Megalosaurus. And here is the most inaccurate dinosaur, and that is Megaraptor. Yep, Megaraptor. In the world of today, Megaraptor is placed in Megaraptorans. Microraptor, but hey, we didn't know what color was Microraptor until 2012, because since the show, Ophthalmosaurus, Pachycephalosaurus, Pachyrhinosaurus canadensis, but with the inaccuracy of the horn, Pawpawsaurus, Pentaceratops, Pianiscosaurus, Pteranodon, Rajasaurus, Saltosaurus, Saurolophus, Saurophaganax, Seismosaurus, Shantongosaurus, Shunosaurus, Stegosaurus, Styracosaurus, Suchomimus, and the generic two-legged Spinosaurus. Supersaurus, Cychenia, T-Rex, Tyrannosaurus Rex, Therizinosaurus, Torosaurus, Carnotaurus, Parasaurolophus, Torvosaurus, Triceratops horridus, Tujangosaurus, Tupaxiara, a species of pterosaur, Utahraptor, Velociraptor, and the woolly mammoth. And the woolly mammoth appeared in Dinosaur King toy figure line. If you guys didn't know about that one. Yangchuanosaurus. Well, I guess that's pretty much it for Dinosaur King anime. And yes, I have seen Dinosaur King, but I have not played the video games from Dinosaur King, like the arcade game or the DS. Anyways, like and subscribe. Hit the bell to notify for new videos for new content. On the next prehistoric animals appearance in animes and mangas, I'll be doing Cage of Eden. Till next time. See you later, guys.